the before, and then the after. So you can easily use this for your... Alright, welcome lovely people, lovely creative. You're welcome to the channel. So today I want to learn how to sharpen an image for your poster or your flyer design. So let's get started. So let's just come and then you duplicate this one, you drag it and drop it in the new layer so that we work on the copy one. So what you do is that you just go to filter, then the camera raw filter. So here the first thing you do is that you come to the effects option here, click on it, then the texture you increase it to 100%, and then the clarity to increase it to, let's say, 36 is okay. Then after that you come to the light, then you give it a little bit exposure to 0.50 is okay. Then you also come to the white, you increase the white a little bit, just 0.8 is okay. You come to the details. So here a detail, you increase the sharpness to 150. Now the last thing is to come to the color, then you increase the vibrance to somewhere, let's do it 80. Then the saturation increases a little bit, 2 is okay. That's that. So let's click on OK. Wow. So let's go at the before and then the after. The before and then the after. So you can easily use this for your poster or your flyer design to increase the sharpness of your images. Remember to subscribe. I'm the Snapper and I'm out.